Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be setting up my Louis Vuitton agenda cover. So very excited to set this up with you guys. I actually tried a few things out last night and just recorded a TikTok reel for Instagram to show y'all what fits. And I went through this thick stack of different planners that I didn't include in my unboxing video because I didn't think of it, but that's already up once this is posted, so go check that out if you're interested to see how many different planners actually fit in here. But yeah, in this video I have a new planner that I set up and I'm going to use in here, and I ordered it last night. So it is the Erin Condren Academic Focus Planner. Y'all know I've used this planner before and I do love it. And in full context with this planner, I did purchase the Erin Condren vertical planner, and I mentioned it in the unboxing video that if I ever switch out of it, it's going to be because there's not as much structure as I like. And so I've been debating. I've tried it for a week and it's just not having lines in that planner just gets me. And so when this came in and I unboxed it, I think I mentioned in that video, there's a specific planner that I'm seeing fits in here. And for me, that was a sign. If it fit in here, then that means it was meant to be. If not, and I was going to try and make it work, and you should never do that because that means you'll use your planner less. Take from someone who tries out a lot of planners. And then I was like, you know what? That's not going to work. And so I was just honestly looking through my own feed, and I'll share a photo on the screen. And I was trying to determine if I should go back to horizontal. And I was just like, you know what, it gets so decorative, I feel like sometimes. And I know there's just certain months where I don't like the decorating as much, and that's why I go back and forth between the horizontal. And then but looking through all of my previous spreads, I was like, but I do really kind of miss that. And with the planner spot stickers, I just really want to still use that and set it up. And so, and I bought this planner so I could store all my stickers. That's one of the things that I really love about this cover, is that I can do that. And so I was like, well, you know what, I grabbed my old Erin Condren Focus Academic Planner. I was like, oh, let me just try this out. And I remembered how much I loved using it. And then I was just like, you know what, this is gonna be the perfect planner because this planner fits A5 planners. It's the perfect fit. I love the Focus collection from Erin Condren, as y'all know. I can be decorative in this planner, and then there's gonna be months where I know I'm not going to be so decorative and I'll just wanna do more functional spreads. And I can do that easily in this planner because of the size. So I was like, oh, it's gonna be a win-win. The only thing was with it being trying to make this decorative, I didn't know how that was gonna work. And guys, I love it. I really love it. So I have the move-in from this morning, and I'm gonna put that at the end of the video because I know not that many people might like to see the transfer. They just want to see the setup, but this is the initial setup of the planner, and I transferred over all of my stickers and plans from the vertical to this one. And guys, I love this setup. I think it's perfect. It's exactly how I used to plan, and I love it so much more. I have my lines, I have my structure, but I can still be decorative, but I can be functional, and I love it, and I'm excited to use it. So yeah, we'll be using the Focus planner for my task. As I mentioned, I bought this so that I could store my stickers and items in it. So I like having that in my agendas, right? So I have all of the stickers that I use in my medium rate, and y'all see that in my plan with me's. I have my sticky notes, I have everything that I need for this agenda to make it quick to plan, because everything that I use is in here. And the most used stickers. And so I like having that. And you can add pockets and stuff to the life planner, but it's just a lot nicer to have it included in your cover. And also I just really wanted this cover, as y'all know. So we are going to start actually setting this up and get to the point of this video. So what I've decided to do is to make this exactly like a cover. So I'm going to put the back in to the back of this planner, and then I'm also going to tuck in the front as well. And that way this really is like the cover of the planner. Plus I think it's weird to have like two different tone camel colors. I mean, you can do it if you like. I think this is a lot nicer. And then I can open it up as well, and it's like, it's going to, you know, just be like a regular planner where you open up and there are your plans. And then it does shift a bit. That's the one thing that I've noticed with this planner. And I mean, that's just because of the nature of the planner, right? Like there's no rings to keep anything in place, but I think it looks perfect. It looks like it belongs in there. And then I open it up and then I have my planner. And then this planner comes with the little ribbons. I might switch to ollie clips, we'll see. But that way I can easily flip open my planner and I have everything ready. And so that's in there. And I love it in here. I just think it looks good. It looks like I kind of bought it like this in a way. And I think that's what I like most about it. And that it just feels like a full planner, not like I put a planner in here, if that makes sense. Probably not. I woke up very early this morning and I'm filming this before work. So here we are. So now for the pockets. So you have this secretarial pocket here and then a passport pocket. I'm not sure what I want to put in the passport pocket. I do want to put my current planner spot month stickers in here as well as the previous month, because there's a lot of like fall stickers in here, and then I have like some organization ones. So I have a pretty thick stack, and again, these are just ones that I know I'm going to gravitate towards. I'm also filming my plan with me probably after this, so that way I have it. But I want to keep those back there. So I have my full stickers here. And then I have my icon stickers. Again, all from the planner spot. Yeah, all from the planner spot. And I don't know, I feel like I want to layer it with something if I try and put it in this front pocket. So I don't want to put it in the front pocket. I want to put it in the back pocket because I feel like it's a better fit. And it looks cleaner. Like that's a perfect fit. There's a 6 card slots here and it fits directly under that bottom one. So it looks nicer, I feel like. And then I have these papery planning mini icon stickers that I know I'm going to use in here that I want to put in the card slots. And I just think this will be really cute. And then I have all of my stickers for this planner. It's going to look really just like functional, and it's going to be easier to plan because I have everything that I need in here. And it's easier to plan too on the go. I shouldn't say on the go, but like when I'm in a rush and I just want to throw in a plan, I can quickly grab what I need. I don't have to sort through my planner cart or find it in my sticker album. I just like, especially if like I'm like about to film a YouTube video or I have a YouTube video idea, I can just grab this, put a sticker down and call it good. So let's put these in. And then let's do important. I'm going to double up on this last one. And then I have this fall freebie. I'm just going to stick it down here because it's too big for up there. It's the same width as these sticker sheets, and these are slightly smaller to fit in the slots. So that is the side. And you guys, I love this so much. Yeah, that is the setup. So this is how I plan to use it. And guys, when I bought it to add it to my collection. Again, I just knew I was going to put some type of Erin Condren planner in here, but I'm really happy that I chose the academic planner. I highly recommend the focused line just for minimal planners, but also just the A5 softbound line I feel like would be a better fit in here, and then you don't have to worry about the rings damaging the back. However, it does fit. Again, I just did a video on it. You can fit ring planners in here, but just keep in mind that you want to make sure that it's not too tight. Otherwise, you'll have that impression in your leather. And I have seen that happen in other videos. So just throwing that out there. Softbound, you really don't have to worry that much about that. So I would recommend a softbound planner, but I know not that many people like softbound. But I just think it would help with keeping the integrity of the planner more intact. But yeah, that is the agenda, and I love it so much, you guys. I can't even express it enough how much I love it. And this is what I was saying with its shifts. So as y'all can see, like, because it moved when I opened it, and honestly, I'm fine with that. Again, I kind of anticipated that to happen because this is just a cover, and it takes like 2 seconds just to shift it back. So I'm perfectly okay with that. But yeah, that is my agenda and the setup. I love it so much. I just think it's so functional, and you guys, I'm just so excited to use this. And I was very excited to share this with you guys. So yeah, other than that, that is my agenda cover setup and my newest planner. This is definitely going to be a staple in my planner system, and I'll go more in depth in another video on my planner lineup for 2023, but this is an academic planner that goes until July 2023, and I intend to just keep this in here, if not a different version and a focused based on whatever comes out during Life Planner launch. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.